How to turn on vibration on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can turn on vibration on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to turn on vibration on your iPhone, go and launch the settings application here, and then I simply want you to go to sounds and haptics. Now you might be wondering why you're not finding the vibrate option. The reason is that iPhone does not label vibration as vibration on iOS. Instead what they call it is called haptics. So it's not called vibration on iPhone. Any sort of vibration on your iPhone is basically called haptics, and that is why you might not be able to have found the option. So once you come to sounds and haptics, you can just select haptics, and now you can select the haptics intensity, such as always play, plain, silent mode, or whatever else you prefer. Once you've done that, you can also choose the areas where you want to receive haptic feedback or vibration feedback. So whether you want system feedback, lock sounds, or keyboard feedback, whenever you're typing something you want those haptic feedbacks, you can enable those options. Similarly, you have a ringtone, text tone, new mail, sent mails, calendar alerts, and reminder alerts, all of the custom areas where you might want to play out and then find those haptic areas. And you can also choose the vibration intensity over here, as you'd be able to find it. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.